They also go after bats and rodents.
Yep.
This little guy, well, little girl over here is a American kestrel. The American kestrel scientific name is Falco supervirus. These guys like to eat things like insects, invertebrates, small rodents, and birds. The American kestrel is Ohio's smallest mountain species, weighing only 3 to 6 ounces. Kestrels hunt in open meadows and grasslands and depend on cavities in trees, rock ledges, or man-made structures for nesting. Kestrels nest in vacant wooded woodpecker holes or other natural cavities.